Let's talk about AI agents. Think of them as super smart interns you can build yourself. They don't need coffee, never get tired, and handle repetitive digital tasks, so you can focus on what matters. Imagine an assistant that reads your emails, sorts them, and drafts replies. Or one that manages your inventory and orders supplies automatically. That's the power of an AI agent, not just a chatbot, but a digital doer. Building one isn't sci-fi anymore, the tools are accessible to everyone. Today we'll show you how to build a useful AI agent step-by-step using a real-world example, an email sorting agent. No jargon, no impossible steps, just a practical roadmap. Whether you're a developer, product manager, or curious builder, this guide is for you. We'll go from idea to a working agent that can make a real difference in your workflow. The secret? A simple framework. Start with a clear goal, sketch the steps, build a prototype, test and add features. We'll use tools like Langchain for building blocks and Langsmith to see exactly how your agent thinks. Ready? Let's dive in. First, your agent needs a specific job. Vague instructions won't cut it. Treat it like hiring an employee, give it a title, responsibilities, and clear goals. For our email agent, the job is inbox triage specialist. Sort emails into urgent, not urgent, and spam. Gather real examples for each category, actual emails, not just imagined ones. These examples are your North Star and your first tests. They force you to clarify edge cases like, is a company-wide announcement from your boss urgent? When you build your agent, you'll check its work against these examples. If it sorts them right, you're on track. If not, you know what to fix. So, pick a task, write a clear job title and mission, and collect at least 5 real examples, write them down. This prep turns a fuzzy idea into a clear, testable project. It's the foundation for everything that follows, don't skip it. Now write your agent's playbook. It's standard operating procedure, or SOP. Imagine training a new team member. Break the job into clear, logical steps. For our email agent, open the email, read the subject, check for urgent keywords, look at the sender, scan the first lines, then sort into urgent, not urgent, or spam. This SOP is your agent's blueprint. It forces you to think like a machine and identify exactly what info the agent needs. You're designing the algorithm before writing any code. A detailed SOP makes building the agent much easier. Write it as a numbered list. If this, then that. The more specific, the better. This document will guide your prompts for the language model. A good SOP means your agent follows a logical, predictable process. That's how you get reliable results. With your job description and SOP ready, it's time to build your agent's first draft. Start by writing a prompt for the language model. Translate your SOP into clear instructions. For example, given an email, classify it as urgent, not urgent, or spam. Urgent if from a manager or contains urgent keywords. Spam if it's a promotion or scam. Test this prompt manually with your real examples. Use tools like Langsmith to refine your prompt until it works reliably. Next, connect your agent to the real world. Set up the plumbing so it can read emails from your inbox and move them to the right folders. This usually means using APIs to let your agent access and organize emails automatically. Now, when a new email arrives, your agent reads it, classifies it, and acts. No manual copy-pasting. This is the core loop, perceive, think, act. At this stage, you have a working prototype that can handle real emails. It's simple, but it works. Now let's make it smarter. Your prototype works, but it'll make mistakes, totally normal. Now test it on a wider variety of real emails to find its weak spots. Use Langsmith to trace your agent's decisions step by step. When it misclassifies, you can see exactly where the logic failed. Maybe your prompt needs a new rule. If the email has an unsubscribe link, it's not urgent. Add the rule, test again, and repeat. This cycle, test, trace, tweak, is how you systematically improve reliability. Build an automated test set with lots of labeled emails to measure performance. Aim for confidence. You want your agent to get it right over 95% of the time. Focus on edge cases and fix them one by one. This methodical process turns a fragile prototype into a robust digital employee. Keep iterating until your agent is ready for the real world. Now, it's time to launch. Your agent is ready, now deploy it in the real world. Connect it to your actual work email or team inbox using a platform like LangGraph. But launching isn't the end. It's the start of ongoing improvement. Monitor your agent's live performance with Langsmith. The real world is unpredictable. Your agent will face new types of emails and situations. Watch for new errors and patterns, like struggling with calendar invites. Use this feedback to update your SOP, refine prompts, or add new tools. Continuous monitoring and refinement are key. An AI agent is never done. It's a living system you keep improving. Use real-world data to guide each new round of development. Expand capabilities, fix tricky cases, and make your agent more useful over time. By following this cycle, you'll turn ideas into powerful, practical AI agents. Now go build something amazing.